In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attend a test in Google Meet. Whether it's for a class, a professional certification, or a team skill assessment, understanding how to navigate Google Meet seamlessly can ensure that technical issues don't interfere with your performance. Let's walk through this step-by-step process together to help you attend your Google Meet test smoothly and with confidence. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Meet. This is the platform that you'll use for your video call. You can easily access it by typing Google Meet into your browser, or if you prefer, you can use a direct link if it's being provided by your test administrator. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to have full access to Meet's features. Being logged in allows you to seamlessly join meetings, access calendars, and sync with other Google Workspace tools. Next, you'll need to get the test link or the invitation. This might come as a direct invitation via email, a calendar event, or an instant message from your test organizer. This invitation is crucial as it contains the link or the code you'll need to join the test session. If you haven't received an invitation yet, double check your email spam folder or contact your administrator to resend it to you. It's also a good idea to verify the test time and your time zone to avoid joining at the wrong time. Once you have access to the test link, you're going to click on Join. This will take you to the Google Meet entry screen. Before you officially join the video call, make sure to check your video and audio settings. There is an option to enable or disable your microphone and camera. Often test instructions specify whether you need your camera on or off, so follow the guidelines given. As you join the meet, you'll either enter directly into the call or be placed in a waiting room if the host hasn't yet started the meet or requires manual approval for entry. Patience is important here, and while you wait, it's helpful to have note-taking materials ready or any documents you may need for the test. This is a perfect moment to remind yourself of any important notes or to review guidelines provided by your test administrator. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to attending a test on Google Meet. Following these steps should help you get through the technical side of things without a hitch, allowing you to focus on what's most important, doing your best on the test itself. If this guide helps you, or if you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We're always here to help ensure that technology is a help, not a hindrance, in your learning and professional journey.